Good morning, rollers. I am in the kitchen right now, but I thought I would show you more a day in the life. So, I'm already in cleaning mode. I'm already at peace with the fact that my kitchen, my house is not going to be completely disinfected, scoured, super clean all the time because let's face it, we're all home. So I've already cleaned toilets upstairs and I'm just doing some laundry. Anybody else have a washing machine they don't love? I hate to get one of those newer ones that doesn't have the agitator in the middle, and I have a really hard time looking at it washing because I'm just feeling like my older washing machine that filled up the basin worked so much better than these newer ones. Over these next couple of days, I thought I would reach out to my preschool class. I've just been completely missing them. And look, we have a lot of stations going on in my classroom that are more for Ezra and family. So I just thought I would see if I can FaceTime them and see if I could read some stories. I do have a lesson that I could do with them. So I want to show you that what I'm planning to do. So I thought that we could do our lesson on oviparous and viviparous animals. So I've taught them up to this point. We've talked about mammals and all that fun stuff, and things that are living and non-living and all that. And so these are just a couple of books. These ones, Animals Born Alive and Well, which would be viviparous. And this cute little book called Hatch, which are animals that are oviparous. So I thought I could give them a call, just talk to them, read them the stories. And I've already made these worksheets into a PDF that I could send their families in a text right when we're done. So I'm probably going to get started doing that pretty quick here. I'll probably start doing that. I just had my first class with my first set of students. They are siblings, and it went so well. So now I'm like on every half-hour increments. I'm meeting with other students, and I'm hoping to meet with all of my little friends within the next couple of days. So this is just going to have to keep my time occupied for a couple of days every week, because I think I'm going to have to do this for the rest of the quarantine time because it's just so fun. So in a little while, I'm going to take you along with us to a store because I'm going to just pop in really quick and then do some special deliveries. All right, so we're just on our way to the Dollar Tree, and I have my mask. So that way I am as safe as possible, but I'm not planning. Like I said, it's just a quick run in. I'm just getting a couple of things to put in little bags that we have for our friends as a little reminder that we miss them, we love them, and there's a little activity in there for their family to do. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're ready to go make some deliveries. So I just got from the Dollar Tree just some puzzles, but we already had these, just some candies. So do you think it'll make have a brighter day? Yeah, I got a puzzle for Ezzy and a ball for them to play in the house, a little softer one. So we're gonna go deliver those, head back home. This is our favorite part, and it's starting to rain though. Well, that was sure fun to just take the boys out. They had been getting too many video games, and so they needed to get out and serve. So if you have any problems or you're just overwhelmed or, anxious, getting out and serving your neighbor, a family member, whatever it is that you can do from a distance, it's good for the soul. So right now I'm going to get ready for starting an easy dinner. I'm just going to make some meatballs, and I'll show you what I'm putting inside them. So I'm just going to spray my slow cooker, my crock pot, whatever you want to call it. I think a crock pot is a brand name. So slow cooker, it is. So I'm just going to open up these already made meatballs. In fact, I got this idea from somebody on here, so thanks a lot. And then I'm going to make it's actually my mother-in-law's recipe, but I'm going to make some barbecue sauce. So I'm starting off with a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. All right, to that I'm just going to add 1/8 of a cup of Worcestershire sauce. And then I'm also going to add a 1/2 cup of ketchup. So easy, and it's so sweet. It's my favorite barbecue sauce. I'm not a huge fan of barbecue sauces that are smoky, so I was happy to make this one. And so I'm just going to put this sauce, after I've mixed it well, I'm going to put it on top of the meatballs, and I'm just going to add some frozen pineapple, and that's it. And then something, I might even add a little bit of pineapple juice because we have it. But something with those combinations, it almost has like an Asian flair to it. And so I'm going to serve it over some rice. In fact, right here, I had some rice in the freezer. Boom, thawed out, dinner's done. So I didn't have any frozen, but I had a can of pineapples, so I just used the whole thing. Why not? So I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more of the sauce, give it a little bit of a stir, and that's it, you guys. We'll be back here in a couple hours, a few hours, whatever, and it'll be time for dinner. Dinner was good. It was very easy. Like I said, you'll have to let me know if any of you try that or make a variation of that. Everyone still thought it tasted a little on the Asian side, which is kind of funny because it was barbecue sauce. But now I need to clean the kitchen. But I think I'm going to be cutting Boy's hair tonight. It'll be interesting. So we just finished up playing with the kids, some games, and now we're going to cut some hair. And they're all going, can I go first? Can I go first? Kobe won the game, so maybe he should go first.
No.
Hey, I want to know.
Hello and welcome to How Ines Cuts. The boys are so thrilled. Actually, guys, I am not a professional. Paul does not let me cut his hair. He actually was able to get his hair cut from a friend, so I'm happy about that. But the boys are just going to get some clean around the ears, and Ezra's hair is the one that I'm going to be scissor cutting. So, yeah, wish me luck. So I have my second victim. We're going to just cut this. This is such a cute little hair. He's got nice hair, so I'm just going to trim it up in the back and then back here and then a little bit off the top. Okay, so because it's getting kind of longer in his eyes. But eventually we'll give him a shave, like up higher. And then Jonas will be next. So Ezra's over here telling me if I bald cut him, he'll be so mad at me. What do you think so far?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Okay. He wants to keep the length a little bit longer, so we just shorten it up a little bit. So far, so good?
Mm-hmm.
And ta-da! Turn. I gotta fix a little bit right here, I think, but I'm gonna wait and kind of see how much we need to. Maybe I could do a little bit off the top, a little bit more. I'll do that soon if I need to. But what do you think?
Good.
We cut a lot in the back, huh? And he wants to hurry up and get in the shower. So he's done. Next. All right, he's showered and we've combed it a little bit. What do you think, Ezzy?
It's good.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you guys think? I cut off a lot in the back. Look at that.
I wish I could see the back.
Maybe it's better he doesn't. All right, we'll go hopefully see Jonas in a minute, but looks good. He's ready for pajamas, ready to end our day.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, let's go get Jonas. All right, we have Jonas. It's all done. It's shaved up on the sides. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
You may need to trim a little bit on the fronts, a little bit, but if you like it, If you like it, smile. So I think it's good. I don't think we're gonna see Kobe's, but it's pretty much the same. It's like short on the side, and then it's actually about like this length on top as well. So pretty easy. I've been doing this for a couple years now, where I just kind of shave up the sides a little bit. But Ezra's hair being so long, that was a little bit of a challenge. But you like it? Smile. All right. Thanks so much, you guys, for following us today. Just kind of doing the quarantine life. We, went and did some service, like delivering things. We had a really easy dinner. We ended the night with some haircuts. I mean, really, it's probably very similar to what your lives are looking like right now as well. But you know what? I appreciate all of you guys so much. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if we're doing the same things, if you're having to do haircuts by yourself, or if you're, trying to figure out some new recipes. We're all in this together, right, guys? So stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.